Welcome to It Pro Express.
How to hide or unhide grid lines in Excel. Hey there, Excel enthusiasts. Welcome to today's quick tutorial, where I'll show you how to hide and unhide grid lines in Excel. These little tweaks can help you customize your workspace like a pro. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about grid lines. They help you see the cell structure, but sometimes you might want to hide them for a cleaner look, like when preparing a report or a dashboard. To hide grid lines, go to the View tab in the ribbon. In the Show group, you'll find a checkbox labeled Grid Lines. Simply uncheck it, and poof, the grid lines disappear. See? That was easy. Now your sheet looks much cleaner. To bring them back, just check the box again. You now know how to hide or unhide grid lines in Excel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Happy Excel! Thanks for watching.